Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I bring you another update for our renovation challenge. We set the challenge to complete this renovation in 30 days, and we are 3 weeks in, and it doesn't look like we did too much. But this week, we have a few updates. The lights, the ceiling lights have been added. You can see the can lights have been added to the ceiling. The place was a little bit dark without that, so we added quite a few around the house. I will show you a few more. And also, my husband works here most of the time by himself, and he has other commitments that sometimes he has to go to as well. So it's been like 1.5 person working over here for the last few days, and I come in once in a while to assist as well. You see, it already pulled out the floor, the dark floor, and we're getting ready to change that as soon as we're done with the painting and everything else. That's going to be one of the last thing we do. And the main progress are the bathrooms. So this bathroom is really ready for the tiling, and this is our first drop-in tub. I'm so excited to see the final look of this one. And my husband is moving out fast, fast, fast with those bathrooms. He made some progress already in the other bathroom over here. Like you can see, is the tiling has begun here. This is Saturday, and the tiling is going on pretty good. And I'm so jealous. I love these big tiles. Like, these houses look better, so much better than our own house. I'm so jealous how they're coming out. And now that we started using these big, huge tiles, I don't see myself ever using small tiles in a shower or in the bathroom area anymore. Also, we added those can lights, like you can see. That's moving up smoothly and very, very tight. No more, nothing much updated in the bedrooms apart from those floors being pulled out everywhere now. At first, it was just bedrooms, but now the whole house, we've removed the laminate flooring, and we're going to be putting the brand new floor that we got. So that's the only update in the other rooms. But like I mentioned before, the main update this week is that we're almost done tiling the bathrooms. That's such a big deal. I already selected the wood for the floor, and we're going with the most affordable option that we could find, really, and that's what determined my choice here. Like you can see, everything is also getting ready for the painting. That I threw it in at the last minute, and hubby wasn't too happy with that because it's adding to the work, and I'm not here often to help, so hopefully we get this done. This is the floor that I selected, and I think it will brighten up the place pretty good. So that's coming up. Once we're able to finish the flooring, the house is going to look so much wider, I'm thinking. So I can't wait for this step in the process. But the house is ready, and once we're done with the painting, that should be the next step. And also, I made my way to the stores on Saturday to get the paint, and because that's gonna be my task
Wish
to
me luck with
complete
this
the
being
painting,
laughter.
hopefully with some
Then you're
help.
putting that on the fire.
So I had to take also the sample piece of the flooring to get more tiles, because we're going to use similar tiles for the bathroom floors. So I took that to the store, and I grabbed a lot of paint, and I was being ambitious, picking up the plaster paint from Lowe's, and that was my plan, to use it to finish up the fireplace. But I think like you will see, I'm not so sure about that because of the time. Mostly, we don't have that much time left to do this project. And one more update is that we have somebody coming, picking. Somebody is going to be moving into the house on the 1st of February. So we already have a tenant that's going to take the house February 1st, and they really need to move in. We have no other option. We already pushed the date a little bit further, but we can't push anymore. So yeah, I did a big haul of tiles and paints, and I brought this help to help me paint the kids, but of course the help is not helping. And then I'm gonna be helping. Today is actually Sunday, and I'm gonna be helping with the painting the house around, And as you can see, we made big progress. Bathroom number 2 is being tiled. Like I can't even believe the amount of work hubby had to do with this house in so little time. I'm so impressed. Things are moving pretty smooth. And yeah, I'm doing a little bit of painting today with the kids' help. They did help, not too much, but they did help a little bit on this Sunday. So it doesn't show very well on camera, the color I painted here, but hopefully in the next update you should be able to see a little bit better the color. And I think it was nighttime too. It's because I was doing this in the middle of the night, so the recording was not as bright as I was hoping. So hopefully you have an idea of the paint color that I chose over here. Yeah, so that's all I could help with this weekend, a bit of painting, and the kids also help. And we still have a lot more to do, and I don't have that much time to come to the house and assist. So I'm hoping we'll be done in time with the painting. I know I added that last minute, but it's gonna make a big difference. If we want to do it, let's just do it right? So that's the plan. So far so good. And also because we are in such a tight deadline, I had to make sure that we order everything that we need, like every little piece of material or fixture or equipment. I had to make sure that I order that. Because of the time, I don't have time to make it to the stores to get the things that I want. So I purchased almost everything that we need for this house on Amazon, and a few things from Wayfair that I already mentioned, I believe. But this house will be mostly done with Amazon finishings and a few Wayfair items and a few things that we already own. Look at my house. My house is filling up with the Amazon package all over the place. And I just wanted to have everything ready. So once we're done with the work, I will just be able to move in and do the staging and furnishing very fast. But yeah, those are all the packaging, everything coming from Amazon. And I will put the link to my Amazon store because I've used a lot of these things before, and I tell you, they are really good from experience. So, and we're getting to the finish line. I'll provide you another update as soon as possible. So we are so excited with week 3 updates, with all these bathroom walls being done, because it's very challenging to work with these big tiles. So this is very exciting for us. The big lift is done. So this is really a big milestone, and this was going to be the hardest part of this project. We knew that. So thank you so much for watching. Please look out for the last update coming up next week, and then we go to the best thing, staging. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and also share this video. Thanks again, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.